Good morning class 6. This is your GK class. Now open page number 13 in your GK book. See on the top of the page there is chapter 8. Chapter 8 is about the topic traditional theatre. So let's read and learn about our Indian traditional theatre. Have you ever participated in Ramlila? Have you ever participated in Ramlila? Many of us take part in Ramlila every year and most of us watch it. Many of us participate in this theatre Ramlila and most of us also watch this theatre Ramlila. This is a form of theatre, means Ramlila is a form of theatre. Let me introduce you to some other forms of theatre. So, see here, there are some other forms of theatres given. You have to read and learn about these other forms of theatre in India. The first one is Vand Pather is a form of theatre performed in Kashmir. Vand Pather is a form of theatre that is performed in Kashmir. In this form, the dance and acting is accompanied by music through sunai, nagara and dhol. In this theatre, dance and acting is accompanied by music through sunai, nagara and dhol. Satire, wit and parody are added to the play for giving a comic effect. Okay, what satire means? Satire means humor, wit means intelligence and parody also added to this theatre to make a comic effect. See, there is the picture given, Vand Pather theatre. Now see the second one, Swang. Swang is a music based theatre accompanied by dialogues in prose. The character displays emotions with rasa. There are two styles of swang, Rothak, which makes elaborate use of Haryanavi and Bangru language, and Hathras, which is performed in Brajabhasha. Okay, so Swang theatre has two kinds. Number one is Rothak, which makes elaborate use of Haryanavi and Bangru language, and the second one is Hathras, which is performed in Brajabhasha. See, this is the picture of Swang theatre. Now see Nautanki. Nautanki is a traditional theatre form in Uttar Pradesh. Nautanki is a traditional form of theatre in Uttar Pradesh. Kanpur, Lucknow and Hathras are the most prominent centers of Nautanki theatre. Okay, Kanpur, Lucknow and Hathras, these three places are situated in the state Uttar Pradesh, and these places are the famous centers of this theatre. The performers make enormous use of doha, chavola, chappai and bihar-e tabil. Gulab Bhai of Kanpur is a great Nautanki performer. Okay, Gulab Bhai of Kanpur is a great performer of this theatre. Now see Ras Leela. Ras Leela is centered on Lord Krishna's frolics as written by Nand Das. Ras Leela is centered on Lord Krishna's frolics as written by Nand Das. There is a harmony between songs and scenes that go together with dialogues in prose. See, this is the picture of Ras Leela. Now Jatra. Jatra is a set of musical plays performed in the honor of gods or religious rituals and ceremonies, which originated in Bengal. Okay? Jatra is a set of musical plays performed in the honor of gods or religious rituals and ceremonies, which originated in West Bengal. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu popularized Krishna Jatra. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu popularized Krishna Jatra. It underwent changes with the addition of love stories and dialogues. The change of scenes in the plays are described by the actors themselves. Okay. Now see the next page. Next page is page number 14. See here, the next one is Vavai. Vavai is mainly performed in Gujarat. The main centers of this theatre form are Kutch and Kathiawar. Pakhavas, flute, rabab, bhungal, manjira and tabla are the important instruments in Vavai. There is a unique combination of devotional and romantic sentiments in this form of theatre. Vavai theatre is mainly found in Gujarat state, and the main centers of this theatre form are Kutch, Kathiawar, and Pakhraj, flute, rabab, bhungal, manjira and tabla are the important instruments of this theatre. There is a unique combination of devotional and romantic sentiments in this form of theatre. Okay, see the picture of Vavai theatre. Now see Bhavna. Bhavna is a form of Ankiya Nath of Assam. It gives an insight into the culture of Assam, Bengal, Odisha, Mathura and Vrindavan. The narration starts in Sanskrit and continues in Brajbhasha or Assamese. So, Bhavna is a form of Ankiya Nath of Assam. It gives an insight into the culture of Assam, Bengal, Odisha, Mathura and Vrindavan. The narration starts in Sanskrit language and continues in Brajbhasha or Assamese language. Now see the picture of Bhavna theatre. Now see Tamasha. Tamasha is a folk theatre of Maharashtra derived from Kirtan, Jagran and Gondal. The actress is the main performer, better known as Murki. Rapid footwork in dance and emotions displayed through clear gestures, synthesis with classical music. See this picture of Tamasha theatre. Now, Dasavatar is a traditional theatre for Konkan and Goa. The 10 incarnations of Lord Vishnu are personified through masks of wood and papier match. See the picture of Dasavatar theatre. Now see, Krishnanattam is a folk theatre of Kerala based on the episodes of Lord Krishna's life. Krishnanattam is a folk theatre of Kerala that is based on the episodes of Lord Krishna's life. It consists of a cycle of 8 plays performed on 8 successive days. Okay, it consists of a cycle of 8 plays that is performed on 8 successive days. This is the picture of Krishnanattam. Now see Kodiyattam. Kodiyattam is one of the earliest forms of Sanskrit theatre tradition in Kerala, in South India. The actor Chakyar, the instrumentalists Nambiar and the men who perform women roles Nangyar are the main characters besides the narrator Sutradhar and jesters Vidusak. This dance emphasizes on hand gestures and eye movements. Kodiyattam is one of the earliest form of Sanskrit theatre that is situated in the state Kerala in South India. The actor Chakyar, the instrumentalists Nambiar and the men who perform women roles Nankyar are the main characters in this theatre. Besides the narrator Sutradhar and jesters Vidusak. This dance emphasizes on hand gestures and eye movements. See, this is the picture of Kodiyattam. Now see Yaksagna. Yaksagna is a traditional theatre form of Karnataka which displays the stories from our mythologies like Puranas and epics like the Mahabharata and the Ramayana. Okay, Yakshagana is a traditional theatre form of Karnataka which displays the stories of our mythologies like Puranas, epics like the Mahabharata and Ramayana. So students, you have to read this chapter 8 properly and you have to learn about this theatre.